Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, we'll walk you through every step of the process, from unboxing to configuring your network settings. Whether you're a beginner or tech-savvy, this guide will help you get the best performance from your router. Let's get started. Let's begin with unboxing the Linksys WRT AC3200. Inside the box, you'll find the router itself, for adjustable antennas, an Ethernet cable, power adapter, and a quick start guide. The AC3200 is a high-performance dual-band router designed for gaming, 4K streaming, and heavy internet usage. Now, let's move on to the hardware setup. Begin by attaching the 4 antennas to the back of the router, ensuring each one is securely screwed in. Position the antennas upright for optimal signal strength and better Wi-Fi coverage throughout your space. Then, plug the router into a power outlet and connect it to your modem using the provided Ethernet cable. Make sure the connection is secure on both ends. Once powered on, wait for the router's LED lights to stabilize. With the router connected, it's time to configure the settings. Open a web browser and type 192.168.1.1 into the address bar. This will take you to the Linksys Smart Wi-Fi Setup page. You'll be prompted to log in. Now, let's set up your Wi-Fi network. You'll need to create a name for both your 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. It's a good idea to name them something recognizable, like Home Wi-Fi. Next, set a strong, secure password for both bands to prevent unauthorized access. Make sure you enable WPA2 encryption for maximum security. This will keep your network safe from potential threats. For those looking for more advanced settings, the Linksys WRT AC3200 offers features like a guest network, parental controls, and quality of service, QoS. The guest network lets you provide internet access to visitors without sharing your primary password. Parental controls empower you to manage and limit internet access on specific devices, allowing for a safer online environment for children. Additionally, quality of service, QoS, enables you to prioritize bandwidth allocation, streaming, and other bandwidth-intensive activities. To ensure optimal performance and security, make sure to check for any available firmware updates. From the main settings menu, navigate to the connectivity section, then click on Check for updates. If an update is available, follow the prompts to download and install it. Once everything is set up, it's time to test your connection. Use a smartphone or laptop to connect to the new Wi-Fi network. Run a speed test to ensure you're getting the expected speeds. If everything looks good, your Linksys WRT AC3200 is ready to go. If you experience any difficulties or require assistance, our team of professionals is available to help you. Don't hesitate to reach out to them at 323-471-3045 for support and guidance. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions. That's it for the setup of your Linksys WRT AC3200 router. You're now ready to enjoy high-speed internet, improved coverage, and enhanced security. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.